Who is involved in making a film? Every good film has had a producer who has produced the money for the film. Then there has been a director responsible for how the film developed. These two people have chosen the cast, the actors, to play the different roles. Some of these may be stars already, or maybe they haven't made the celebrity status yet. But who has worked backstage? First of all, the screenwriter who has written the script, the makeup artist who has dealt with the makeup, the cameraman or woman who has shot the film, the sound technician, and maybe a music composer for the soundtrack. Have you ever seen adventure films where the hero is in danger? It might be the film star acting, or it might be a stuntman or stuntwoman who has taken the risks. They perform the difficult actions that might put the main actor at risk. When the cast and crew have finished the film, there is still the reviewer who writes film reviews and the ticket seller in the box office. In the end, it is the audience who decides if the film is a hit, a blockbuster, or a flop.